Hey guys, welcome back to the video. It's Rick01234 here, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be playing Tanki Online, which is a game that I've been wanting to post for a while now. If the audio is good, leave a like and subscribe. I'm still trying to fix everything here. I'm also playing with... Yep, I'm playing with my good buddy, PcGamer697.
What up, guys? And that was basically my intro for you guys. I'm a Red Zero, right?
Yep, we're facing each other, guys, so let's see how this turns out. This game is Tanki Online. Send me a friend request. My name is capital R, capital Z, Rick0, with the O being 0, like my username helps.
And same for me.
It's
There's someone on this game with an emoji skin. Their skin is just emojis.
heals. I need heals.
If you guys want to see that, go to my channel. PcGamer697. And I started a new channel recently about engineering. I haven't posted it, but I'm working on it.
So yeah, check him out.
Oh yeah, if you search it up, you won't find it, so just go to the video.
Run.
Okay. Anyway, there's a bunch of Russian in the chat. I can actually read it.
Dude, I don't think my audio is recording. No, my mic. No, not my game volume. I don't think that's recording, but I honestly don't mind if they can't hear it.
My game volume is muted in the first place, so it doesn't matter. I can hear your gameplay.
Okay.
In the chat.
Yeah, I'm gonna go into the chat.
Where are you? I can't find you. I'm getting shot. So yeah, we've been playing the game for a couple months now.
Yeah.
It's extremely addictive, so very nice. You guys get addicted, it's not my fault, right?
Yeah, it's not our fault if you guys get addicted. So, oh, and that's you, isn't it, PC?
No.
Okay, good.
This guy's about to die anyway.
Okay, I just typed in chat that I was recording a vid, so. Oh, ew. Shoot. What happened to you? No, run. So, okay, guys, this is basically a tanking we've been addicted to for a while, and we just found the software to record it. So, yeah, we will only be able to...
We were getting ready to be total pros when we showed.
Yeah, but now we're at the high level where you meet more advanced players. So it'll look like we're complete noobs, but trust us, we are even... Yeah, there's more amped players now, and we're like the lowest of the high rankers.
Yeah, that's it. Like the lowest of the high. So if you're low, then you're kind of screwed. Wait, dude.
Oh, that's you.
My friend is so bad. Oh, you're dead. But Tanki's doing this thing where they promote channels.
Oh yeah, Tanki's... Yes, Tanky, if you would like to do that with us, yes, please. We'll try and post more. Yeah, I'm gonna submit it.
If you're watching this and you have no idea about anything else I do gaming on mobile. I just did actually no, I didn't. I recorded it. PUBG coming soon. Rules Survival.
I've posted Rules of Survival. I'm probably gonna do a PUBG with PC Gamer. And we'll try and like post a video every week because we usually just play this, me and PC Gamer, with each other. So like all the time, and we can record videos. We are just too lazy to. But if Tanky's willing to do this, then yeah, the people from Tanky, hello, please. Oh, I have so much computer lag.
I'm a really good sniper.
Oh heck, I'm lagging.
You're lagging.
Hardcore.
Need some better hardware.
Yeah.
And right with stuff like that. Oh yeah. We're gonna refer to this as turtling when we get our flip over on the backs. And Joseph.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
So guys, this is pretty fun. And if you guys want to friend us or Tanky wants to sponsor us, our user.
Please do. I need money.
Yeah, please do.
I mean, what?
Hello, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, whoops.
You're not even shooting. You're just standing there.
Well, I rode on top of you.
Oh, I saw that mine. I didn't step on it.
Two. Worth a shot.
There's mines everywhere. Why is it mine?
Why isn't there mine? It's because everyone's using their special down here. It's a tactic. Oh, hey. Oh, no.
What the? What? What? I just looked. Oh, you're stepped on
So,
mine.
this is why sponsor us, please, Tanky. I saw the mine too. I'm just like, crap.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what happens to me. I see the mine and I'm like, now it's stuck, and then I'm already rolling over it. It explodes.
So, okay, viewers, I think I know where PC Gamer is. Rick Zero viewers, I think I know where PC Gamer is, so I'm gonna check on it.
Don't worry, I won't.
They're hiding behind crates.
Alright, I'm going to kill you.
Oh, I see you. You just flamed one of my teammates, bro.
I just got flamed.
Good, because I totally didn't turtle right on top of you.
I'm coming to get you.
That's okay. Unlike you. Unlike you, I have like, unlike you, I have a delete button.
Okay, hold on. No, it's not there. No, you have a delete button, but you don't use it. You sit there and die.
I don't.
Ooh.
What?
Yep.
Yeah, please.
I just told someone.
That's the best. Like, I'm not even kidding. Once you turn
I just told someone and they died, but I also died at the same time.
Here, can I go to the garage?
Oh no, this is bad.
People from Tanky, please.
When Rick Zero goes to the garage, you know something's not good.
Yeah.
So bad.
Hey, buddy, where are ya?
No, please. Spare mercy.
Oh, this is not. Your team has a Mark 1 flamethrower. And there's different marks that you can.
Team because you get Mark 1. Oh, I see you. Hi.
No, I'm lagging.
I'm up here.
I don't see you, and I don't want to. Hey, buddy. Hey, guys. Oh, crap.
Oh, dude, everything in the garage is 30% off.
Yeah, I know. Someone stole my kill.
We have 3 minutes left.
Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be one of the shorter videos, guys.
It actually isn't kind of long. We hit the 10-minute mark already. Get that paragraph review. Just kidding. We don't have enough stats. Please, YouTube, fix your monetization.
Please. Sorry.
Your team has a mark one too.
Yay. Oh, poo. I'm gonna refresh my page because I don't think I'm doing any damage.
You're not.
Really? Oh, yeah, my game is lagging. Oh, hello people who are watching the video.
Dude, it's over. The game's over.
It is?
Yep.
Well, I lost all of the gems that I could have gotten, but thanks guys for watching. If you
Yeah, just subscribe and like and do all that
leave
stuff.
a like and subscribe, and if it's Tanky, please sponsor us. Goodbye!